Hello everyone, my name is Kimberly Kleinman, and this is my final project presentation. For my final project, I elected to create a video tutorial for advanced searching in the Hobbies and Crafts Reference Center database, an EBSCO database which is available to me through my local public library. And I prepared the tutorial as if I were a librarian there. They recently opened their makerspace, so I thought a tutorial for this database in particular would be helpful to them at this specific point in time. The audience my tutorial is intended for would be any hobby enthusiast out there, and specifically, those who are wanting to utilize the library's new makerspace. To create my tutorial, I utilized both PowerPoint and iMovie. I did the overall recordings by capturing the actions on my screen using the built-in screen recording tools on my MacBook. After compiling all the elements in iMovie, I uploaded the tutorial to YouTube. Having the tutorial on YouTube provides great flexibility for accessing the tutorial. From YouTube, the library would be able to embed the video on their own website as well as share it through their social media accounts. For my audience of hobby enthusiasts, I chose to highlight Boolean operators and truncation. This screenshot is an example of the section of my tutorial where I highlight what the Boolean operators do. I also included live search demonstrations where I utilized those Boolean operators as well as demonstrating truncation. I did several searches along the way, building the example concept by concept. This allows the hobby enthusiasts to see these search tools in action and, I hope, will help inspire their own search strategies for their upcoming projects. To implement this tutorial, I would start by sharing it with coworkers at my library. This is a very important step since it allows me to incorporate not only my own experiences supporting library patrons, but also those of others who may have had different experiences from my own. Based on feedback obtained from my coworkers, I would edit the tutorial so that it will better suit the searching needs of our hobby enthusiasts. When we are satisfied with the tutorial, my plan would be to embed the video on our library's website, specifically on the page highlighting the makerspace and next to the Hobbies and Crafts Reference Center in the library's list of databases. This would highlight the tutorial to those most likely to have a need to search the database. For those that view the tutorial, we could also include a user survey so that we can get feedback on the helpfulness of the tutorial as well as see if there are other skills they would like to see highlighted. Thank you all for watching my presentation, and I look forward to viewing yours. Feedback is appreciated. Have a wonderful day.